Hey game battles, this is Future Out the Cut, and as you can see, I did post for 11:45 when my PS3 is an hour back, but right now it's 12 o'clock. He hasn't started the game yet. Sending him messages. As you can see, it's telling him to start. And it's still 12 o'clock. 12:01. Still hasn't started yet, he hopes.